Alright, I'm making a trailer hitch fishing rod holder out of an old trailer hitch flag pole holder. I got a piece of metal over here, which I'm going to attach across here at a certain length. I'm going to cut another one of these in half, so I have 4 of them. And I'm going to mount them so like bolts and nuts, extra aluminum brackets just to put across so they don't go back and forth. Drill bit, some washers, some screws. Stay tuned. Alright, part 2. It's not the best, it's not the straightest. But fuck it, man, it'll do what it's got to do. You got 4 pole holders and a net holder. I think it's pretty decent to go fishing with, or at least transport your rods. Like I said, cost me $40 plus the original flagpole holder, and I made my own rod holders.